Do you want to lose weight? Did you realize that the word diet scares a lot of people? Would you trust us if we told you that you could lose weight without following a rigid diet? Today, you'll discover how to make the most of your nutritional re-education by learning some tips and tricks for a healthy, steady weight reduction. And I'll tell you up front that these suggestions are based on scientific studies and procedures that can help you lose weight. If you enjoy coffee, we have some excellent news for you. Increased coffee or tea consumption has been demonstrated to help manage hunger, stimulate metabolism, and promote fat burning during physical activity. Did you know that wearing a blindfold might help you lose weight, according to a German study? The blinded individuals ate less than those who could see their food, according to the researchers. The theory goes that robbing someone of their sight diminishes any appetite that isn't fueled by necessity, but by pleasure. If this is the case, you might want to try this technique. Another useful suggestion is to eat a protein-rich diet. When a high-protein diet is paired with exercise, muscular growth is possible, which is another factor that aids in weight loss. The fourth recommendation, drinking water before meals. Drinking 400 milliliters, 13.5 fl of water half an hour before meals, according to new research, can aid weight reduction. Despite not making any changes to their lifestyles, the participants in this study were able to shed 4.4 pounds. So, if you want to stay in shape, drink 34 to 50 ounces of water per day. Also, why not take a seat before you eat? Many individuals can't seem to get away from their hectic days, so they eat while walking, or even standing up. Unfortunately, this practice leads to a gradual, but unavoidable weight increase. To avoid this, nutritionists advise that sitting down before eating will assist your brain recognize that you are eating a filling meal, reducing the likelihood of overeating later in the day. Isn't it amazing? And while we're on the subject of sitting down to eat, chewing your food is another helpful weight loss advice. The body burns more calories during digestion when we chew, until there are no fragments left in the mouth. Did you realize that? Furthermore, eating more slowly improves blood flow to the stomach. Slowing down your meals permits you to burn an extra 2,000 calories every month. Finally, but certainly not least, take a cold shower. Cold showers help you lose weight by making your skin look better and helping you to recover faster after a tough workout. This occurs because fat cells are used to create heat when the body is exposed to chilly surroundings, even if it is only your restroom, resulting in weight loss. As a result, lowering the temperature of your shower is an excellent idea. So what do you think of these pointers? Put these into action and see your weight drop without making major compromises.